This is the biggest eclair I ever had. So delicious and so easy to make. Karpatka is Polish cream cake that consists of 2 layers of choux pastry and delicious pastry cream in between. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's get started. For the dough we will need milk, water, unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, eggs, pinch of sugar, pinch of salt. I've blended eggs with the hand blender before using it. Combine water, milk, unsalted butter, pinch of salt and pinch of sugar in a medium saucepan. Then heat over medium heat until butter completely melts. Add flour and mix until no dry flour is left. Keep cooking until the dough forms a ball and leaves a pale residue on the bottom of the saucepan. Then place the dough into a mixing bowl and let it cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 1 egg and mix it until fully incorporated. Repeat with the rest of the eggs. Split the dough between 2 spring forms and spread it unevenly. I'm using baking rings with 18 cm diameter. If you have just 1 baking ring, it's completely fine. You can bake first choux pastry and leave the rest of the butter at room temperature. Put some almond flakes on top. Bake it for 20 minutes in preheated oven to 190 degrees or until reaching a deep golden brown color on top. Do not open the oven while it bakes. Let's make our filling. For that we need milk, eggs, sugar, cornstarch, soft unsalted butter and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. I'm using vanilla paste because it includes ground vanilla pods and beans and gives the best flavor. In mixing bowl, combine eggs, sugar, cornstarch. Mix it well. Make sure to not leave any lumps. Add vanilla paste and mix it again. Start slowly to add hot milk to the egg mixture, whisking continuously. Then pour it into a saucepan and place on medium heat. Bring it to boil and continue cooking for 3 to 5 minutes, whisking continuously until a lump-free custard forms. Take it off the heat and strain the custard through a fine mesh strainer to remove any remaining lumps. Cover it with clear wrap and leave to cool completely. When the choux pastry are ready, cool them down on the cooling rack completely. When the vanilla custard base is completely cooled, put soft unsalted butter to the mixing bowl and whisk it until light and fluffy. Gradually start adding custard, a few spoonfuls at a time, blending continuously. Small tip: butter and custard base must be the same temperature to get the best texture of the cream, so the custard base must be room temperature too. Place one layer of baked choux pastry onto a serving plate. I'm using baking ring and cake color to form the cake, but this step is optional. Spread the custard cream on top, even out the surface with a spatula or a butter knife. Cover with another layer of baked choux pastry. Chill in the fridge for a few hours before serving, giving the cream some time to settle. Before serving, sprinkle generously with ice and sugar. And the cake is ready. Enjoy every bite of it.